So, here's just a little update on the things I've been doing. This is the piano player, and I finally worked out how to make the arms move properly. And the second project, this is gnome. I made him chop wood with sand. It's sand driven. And let's guess how long he can run. Meanwhile, I painted him, and now he is hard at work, and it's about 3 or 4 big spoons full of sand, and you guess how long he can run and chop. Just guess, or put it down in the notes how long you think he will work. Okay, stopped at 1 minute 4 seconds. There was still a little bit sand left, but didn't get through. Yeah, so far the update on my automata work. And yeah, if you enjoyed it as much as I did the making, just leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you very much.